All right. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
All right. Let's start by saying that as an agent, all right, please, everybody kindly mute. When we are done teaching, then you can unmute and continue with your tasks. Please, please. So, as I was saying, as an agent, number one, let me take you on how to add host to your agency. So as I'm talking, you can also be, following with the practical. As you're here in the panel, minimize, go to your profile.
Which I have done so.
All right. From your profile, you click on rights.
My rights? Okay.
Yes, my rights. When you click on my rights, as a BD ambassador, you will see where they wrote BD ambassador, you will see where they wrote host, and you will see where they wrote host agent. So what we want to do is to add a new host. All right. So what you do is click on host agent. When you click on host agent, has it loaded?
Yes.
Okay, when you click on host agent, apart from the salary information, total salary, and all that, look down, you will see where they wrote this cycle, last cycle, member management, diamond exchange, advanced record, and fill in receive method. So for now, let's focus on adding a new host. So on adding a new host, all you need to do is click on member management. When you click on member management, you will see where they wrote please input. So that place they wrote please input, all you need to do is tap on it, type the ID number you want to add, like the person's ID number. After typing the ID number, then you click on invite. Once that is done, the invitation will be sent to the person inbox. So all you need to do now is inbox the person on WhatsApp or wherever you got the person from and tell the person to accept the invite. Don't forget, just like the complication we are having now, whenever you add a new person, state it clear to them. Don't accept invitation from any other person apart from so and so name, which is your own name. All right, so that you don't end up having complications and back and front with anybody. All right, so once that is done, you've done your part. It's now for the person to accept the invitation. After the person accepts the invitation, you will see it there. The person's name will show. Then you will see where they wrote quit host. That is, if you want to remove the host, you click on that quit host. The host will be removed from your agency. All right, now tap on your back touch again. Let me take you on how to add agents under you as a BD ambassador. Now, to add agents under you as a BD ambassador, from that place you're seeing BD ambassador, host, and host agent. All you need to do is click on the BD ambassador. When you click on the BD ambassador, you will see where they wrote add anchor agent. You click on that add anchor agent. After clicking on add anchor agent, you see where they wrote please enter user ID to search. So you put the ID number, then you click on that search, the search that is at the top right side. You tap on it. After you tap on it, it will bring out the information of the person. All right, after it brings out the person's information, you will see where they wrote agency name. So already you should collect the agency name from the person. So this place they wrote agency name, you put in the agency name there, then you tap on submit. After tapping on submit, all you need to do now is inbox the person and tell the person accept the invitation from so and so person. I repeat again, always tell them don't accept invitation you don't know. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it. Now coming back to this place they wrote BD ambassador, host, and host agent. All right.
Yeah.
Tap on your host agent.
Okay.
On your host agent, you will see where they wrote, like I said before, this cycle and last cycle. Now, this cycle means what all of you are currently making for yourself. That is both you and your host, everybody put together. What you're currently, sorry?
This cycle.
Yeah, this cycle is what you're currently making for yourself. All right.
Okay.
Last cycle is what you have made before and you have been paid for it already. So if you want to go and check your previous withdrawal record, that's where you click. You click on last cycle. You see your previous withdrawal records. If you want to check what you and your host are doing currently, what you do is to click on this cycle. All right. When you click on this cycle, you will see the name of all your hosts, how much diamond they have been able to accumulate for themselves, and the amount of dollar it has amounted to individually. Okay. All right. So, and don't forget, whenever you're adding a new host or an agent, tell them they should not exchange their salary. They should not exchange their blue diamond. Their blue diamond is their point, which is the one they are supposed to withdraw. So it is more profitable to buy coin from the coin seller than for you to gather your blue diamond. Then at the end, you go and exchange it to coin. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. So coming back again to this place, they wrote last cycle, this cycle, member management, exchange diamond, advance payment. So now this advance record, when you click on it, what it will only show you is the number of your hosts that exchanged their salary, that exchanged their blue diamond to coin, and how much they exchanged. So now whenever the salary is being paid, because don't forget, like I said before, salaries are being paid to agents. So whenever the salary is being paid, don't forget to check that your advance record to know the ones that exchange their salary. Check the dates, check the amounts, so you will know how much is supposed to be their balance. Because if you're checking on this cycle might be giving you a total random of what they made for themselves. So in order not to make mistake, you cross-check it. Cross-check the amount you received, cross-check the exchange they made, and cross-check what the balance is showing there. Then you transfer their balance to them. All right. Then after that, you will see the place they wrote fill receiving method. When you click on that fill in receiving method, you will see where they wrote coin. Now that coin is if you want to exchange the dollar you have to coin. All right, which I have just said before, don't exchange. Don't exchange. So what you need to do is to click on that place they wrote USD. All right. When you click on USD, you will see where they wrote all. That is if you want to withdraw all the money you have there on your account, so that you can pay your host and also collect your own. You click on all. When you click on all, you insert your USDT address. After inserting your USDT address or any payment method you want to use, you can change it. You can put Binance, you can put PayPal, you can put bank, you can put others. All right. So after inserting it, you put your address. After putting in the address, you put your WhatsApp number, then you click on confirm. All right.
Okay.
In that way, when it is time for salary, it gets paid to that information you provided. All right. Are you there?
I'm here.
Okay. Then now, if you want to check what you alone did for yourself, like maybe you went live for 2 hours, the way I explained to you. If you want to check if your own 2 hours is complete, you click on that place they wrote host.
Okay.
All right. When you click on that place they wrote host, it will give you the breakdown
That
of
place they wrote host.
estimated
It will
salary,
give you the
advanced
breakdown
salary,
of
and remaining
estimated
salary.
salary,
Estimated salary
advanced
is what
salary,
you've made for
and
yourself, the
remaining
total of what
salary.
you've gathered
Estimated
for this
salary is
cycle.
what you've made for yourself, the
Advanced
total of what you've
amount
gathered
is
for this
if you have
cycle.
exchanged any of it,
Advanced
it will be
amount
written there.
is if you have
Then remaining
exchanged any of
salary
it, it will
will
be
be
written there.
after they have
Then
minus what you
remaining salary
exchanged, they will now write the
will
balance
be
there.
after they have
So the
minus
balance
what you
is what you should
exchanged,
be
they will now write the
expecting.
balance
Under
there.
it, you will see where they
So the
wrote,
balance
please
is what you
enter
should
the
be
exchange
expecting.
quantity.
Under it, you
That
will see
place,
where
don't
they
even
wrote,
play.
please
Go no, as
enter
in
the
don't
exchange
go close to
quantity.
that place.
That
Just
place,
leave
don't
it.
even
It's the
play.
same
Go
thing
no,
as
as
that
in
exchange I
don't
talked
go close to
about
that
that
place.
you
Just
should
leave
never
it. It's
do
the same thing as
because
that.
you're the one at a loss. All right. Then scrolling down, you will see where they wrote daily tax. On that daily
Yes.
tax, I don't know what is showing on your edge, but I'm seeing 3.66, which is 3 hours 66 minutes. All right, that 3 hours 66 minutes is what I have, I've done part of the tax, though what the app requires is 2 hours every day. So within 24 hours, they expect you to open your mic in a panel, either in your panel or anybody's panel. Your mic should be open for 2 hours every day. So after that 2 hours, if you want to mute, you can mute. If you don't want, you can still leave it on. All right. Then after there, still on that line, you will see where they wrote diamond. That diamonds is a total of what you have received on this day. All right, that's days received. That's where you will see it. Then fast forward down, you see where they wrote tax for this cycle. That tax for this cycle refers to total of what you have done since after the last payment.
Okay.
All right. So now you will see where they wrote 3. On my own, it's showing 3 under 8 days. I don't know, on your own it might be showing 0 because you just started. All right. Then you will see where they wrote the hour, you see where they wrote the diamond, you see where they wrote remaining salary. All right, that one is what you've gathered on for your own self, like minus host's work for your own self, what you've done for yourself and how your personal tax is going. That's where you get it under host. All right, so that's it. So if there is any question, feel free to ask. Let's talk about it here and now.
Going to online on my own.
Okay, yeah,
To my own
to create your own room, to create your own panel.
Yes.
From that first background, from the first background where they wrote, when you open the app, you will see where they wrote room, you see where they wrote discover, you see where they wrote message, and you see where they wrote me. Those are the 4 icons lined up at the downside of your screen when you open the app. Okay, click on that room. When you click on room, then look at the top. At the top, you will see where they wrote mine. You see where they wrote hot, and you see where they wrote new. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yes. So now what you need to do is click on mine. When you click on mine, you will see where they wrote create
my room.
Yes, create my room. So you click on that create my room. When you click on create my room, currently my own is not showing create my room. It's already showing my name and informations of my own room. All right, which is Slim Daddy, we lead, others follow. All right. So when you click on that create room, you will see where you need to put in room title, description, and the rest. And it has a limit to what you can type. Like you only need to type in 24 characters on the room description, and the other side, the room title, only 24 characters are to fit in. All right. After that, you input your room picture, the one you want to be, to be displaying as your room cover. Then you click on create. That's all.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah. So any other question?
Oh no, for now I'm okay for now.
All right. So like I said before, if you drop me a message, if I'm not fast enough to respond immediately and it's very urgent, you can always go to the customer service and they will attend to you immediately.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.